and offer some stock ideas for tomorrow morning, and for that today let's start with Poonam. Hi Poonam.
Hi Nikunj, we have two stocks today. First is Amara Raja, it's a buy, and another is Pantaloon Retail, which is a sell. Speaking on Amara Raja, it's the second largest manufacturer of lead batteries, and strong demand is seen from the replacement segment. The company has approximately 25% of the share in the organized market, and the analysts do expect that this share may actually rise by 500 bips to nearly 30%. So that's a stock to watch out for. Again, on the automotive batteries, they nearly contribute 53% to the revenues of the company, and the segment from the automotive sales is expected to go by 27% CAGR. The stock is trading at close to 11x 1-year forward P, and in terms of DMA, the stock is trading close to 50-day moving average. So this is one stock to really watch out for.
Sandeep Agle, a very basic Nifty strategy for tomorrow.
Well, depending on where it opens, I would be a buyer nearer 5,000. Possibly a little below 49.50 could be a good stop loss, and I would look at 5150 to 5200 immediately in a day or two, and talk of the next 2 or 3 weeks. I have a target of 5300, 5350, which can possibly extend to 5400, but that will take some time.
You're sounding convinced and bullish to me, Sandeep Agle.
Thank you, Nikunj. I hope I'm right.
Sudeep, what's on your watch list?
Well, I think one stock, Nikunj, we have been watching for quite some time, and I think this is one stock we can bet on, is ILFS Transportation Network. It's an infrastructure. It has suffered quite a lot, but considering the credential of the promoters, considering the background of the company, and considering that it's in a excellent space, which is the road construction, and one area where the government has come back and put a lot of emphasis, and I believe we understand that projects are getting cleared, and a whole lot of activity has started back in this particular space. Current valuation, of course, very, very attractive, and I think investors can look forward to good return in 6 to 12 months' time.
Sandeep, it's good to be a contra buyer, but you're actually recommending our viewers to buy a broken down business?
Absolutely. I think this is one business, Nikunj, out of the entire infrastructure space where we think that the traction will come for the first, at the initial stage, the traction will start coming in the road constructions, space. So this is one business we would like to look in the infrastructure.
One down, Poonam, second idea.
Well, we have Pantaloon Retail. It's a sell on that. Now, there is high debt on the books, close to rupees 5,500 crore. Deal from FCH, Future Capital Holdings, they have sold the stake, so that could fetch nearly 560 crores. And as well as if the deal from Aditya Birla Nuvo goes for an approval, then the debt level may come down by another rupees 1,600 crore. Again, speaking about on the core business trends have remained muted. The same store sales have again moderated since quite a few quarters, so not such a good outlook on this stock. Based on the parent EPS, the 1-year forward PE stands at approximately 60x, and the stock is trading close to 100 daily moving average. So there's a sell on Pantaloon Retail.
Sudeep, a closing comment on Pantaloon Retail. Pantaloon Retail was underperforming because markets were worried about the total debt burden. But now that company has cleaned up their books, they've reduced their book, markets are worried about growth. So what do markets want from Pantaloon?
Well, Nikunj, I think both are very, very relevant. The debt was completely unsustainable. At the group level, 8,000 crore plus debt was not a sustainable position. So they had to bring down their debt, which I think Mr. Biyani is absolutely right in trying to bring that down. But having done that, whatever residual business he has, he'll have to focus on growth, and he'll have to show some positive momentum in that business to ensure that the market gives him right valuation. I think that's a challenge, but I think that's one challenge which he should be in a position to take. So if I have to put my money, I probably will now put my money in Pantaloon instead of having put it about a few months back.